Hi, I'm the Clark and I'm the owner of farmability.co.za. We sell products to the DIY and agricultural market in South Africa. We'll showcase you on this channel products that we sell. We'll take you to clients of ours, visit projects, anything from building a little table to huge electric fence installations, irrigation installations, all of those kind of things. We're going to showcase you as it is. So we're going to show you, sometimes we make mistakes and we get it wrong, and what we did, how to fix it. It's not a perfect channel, that's not what we want. We want to show you in the DIY and agricultural market, sometimes it can go wrong. And yeah, then we also have fun while we're doing it. Go and visit us at www.farmability.co.za to see products. Subscribe to our email list to get specials, and also subscribe to YouTube every time we post a video, which should be roughly about once a week, or whenever we get a new product in or a new project that one of our clients are busy with, or even ourselves, we'll post it on YouTube. Have a look. If there's any comments, leave it below. And yeah, we hope you have a good time viewing our videos. Enjoy.